Okay, if anybody knows why this would be doing this, let me know. I'm guessing maybe there's like some bearings in it or something that's gone bad, or just wear and tear from being an older bike. I don't know. But the whole derailleur is moving, but it shifts completely fine. Like there's nothing wrong with the shifting at all. So I don't know. It does, I mean, it moves. See if I can keep the bike steady. I mean, you could see it moves. That's pretty crazy. I've never noticed that on this bike. Maybe it just happened. Maybe there's like a seal in here that like broke from riding in the rain and everything. I don't really know. But seems to be fine. Everything works. The wheel is, oh, sorry. It likes to lock up in here for some reason. But the wheel is slightly bent, which we will deal with later. But it's a working bike. We got tread on it. It's a little cracked, but that other tire was way worse in cracking than this one is. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it and be careful of like glass and stuff. Mainly glass. There's a lot of glass for some reason. But yeah, so we'll have to watch out for that. But otherwise, the tire's good. I wish it was a road tire, but we'll get what we can get, and it works for now. So this tire's still good. This is actually how bad it was. Actually, it might have been a little bit worse. But you can see the cracking there. It's pretty bad. But I haven't had a problem with it, so I'm going to leave it. And I've ran over glass with this, so I guess I've just gotten lucky. I mean, look at that. That's pretty crazy. But yeah, it seems to be okay. I'll probably end up cleaning it up later. Get some lube on the chain. I finally actually went and bought some because I've never used lube before for the bike chains, and we should have. I don't know why we haven't. You know, it's the main problem of all the squeaking and everything. I don't know why I haven't, but I haven't. So I guess it's fine. The bike works. It'll do for now, and maybe next week we'll do the other part of the video. But that first part, hopefully we can get of that cleaning, and we'll post that, and then this will be the second video for the second week, and it's just how it's gonna go for now. I'll have to get some more ideas, and maybe next week we can figure out something else too and make it more eventful. Maybe we'll go on like a light ride or something. I don't know yet, but yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this one. I'll see you all later. Peace out, stay safe, and keep on riding.